1 minute. This one's just throwing a bit of bread. Ducky. Oh my god. Daddy. Ew. Little geese. Dad. I made friends. Ooh, it's a big one. Now, how do I get out of this one? Goody. Hello. Hello, little friend. Come on, come on, little ducky. Come on. Geefies. Come on. Come on, little. Oh my god. This is so cool. Yeah, ooh. Daddy, look at him. This is so cool. Come on, little. I am. I want to get them running across. Come on. Come on. This is so cool. Look at them. Hello, little geeses. Yeah? Ooh! I like these. I want one. These are so cool. Wow, big swan. Oh dear me. Come here then. Come on. Hello. Oh, didn't. Hello. Oh dear. We'll have to make sure they get some. Hello. Hello, sweetie. Oh, big swan, big swan. Big swan. Hold that a minute, please. So I need to try and get these. Did you see the swan? Look at my neck. Oh. Yeah. I want to try and get the swan come here. I love that swan. Come here. Oh, baby! Yeah, now I'm back doing it. I want to be on the corner. Hello. Stacey, don't whack me. I'm going to get hurt. Hello. Come on. Oh, that was really cute. Hello. No. Hey. Hello. No, I love swans. I think they're amazing. Oh no, I love swans. They're so gorgeous. Oh, it wags its bum. Can you just? Right, I'm just going to give this one more piece of bread. Oh. Can I just have one more bit of bread? No. Come on. Hello. Ooh. Stop it. Hey. That's me. Oh, I'm coming, Bailey. Hey. Hello. You want some? There we go. No more for you lot now.
You done?
Yeah, there's loads left. Well, not loads. Oh, did you see this one? Daddy, uh-oh, we got friends.